Come.
Hi, my name is Joe Cregan. I am one of the owners of Evergreen Midwest Company. Today we're going to continue our series on explaining part numbers and how to derive part numbers. Today we're going to look at the Sherwood Global Valve. The valve is called Global Valve because it meets every country's code and every major corporation's code for valves in the world, so they call it the Global Valve. So the Global Valve is Sherwood's flagship. It's their go-to valve in the industrial gas line, and I think it's pretty much the industry standard valve. In this particular case, we're holding an oxygen valve. So the part number starts with GV for Global Valve. And it continues. The next three placeholders are for the Compressed Gas Association's designation of that gas. So every gas is, the Compressed Gas Association designates a particular three-digit part number for every major gas. So in this case it's an oxygen, and the Compressed Gas Association designates the number 540 for oxygen. So this part number is a GV for Global Valve and then a 540. The next placeholder is for the inlet thread. There are basically five major choices on the inlet thread. You can have a 1/2 inch, a 3/4 inch, a 1 inch, and then you can have two UNF threads, an 1 1/8 and a .750. That will cover 99% of all inlet threads. So a 1/2 inch inlet thread is a 4, a 3/4 inch is a 6, a 1 inch is an 8, the 1 1/8 is a 5, and the .750 will cover it in the advanced class. If you stick around for the upper level classes, you can learn that one. So this particular one is a 6 for a 3/4 inch inlet. So we have a part number GV for Global Valve, 540 for oxygen, 6 for the 3/4 inch inlet. The next placeholder is for the type of pressure relief device. Pressure relief devices, again, are designated by the Compressed Gas Association. They have determined what type of pressure relief device we want to use with which gas. So in this particular case, the valve I'm holding in my hand has an open, or a CG1 pressure relief device, which is referred to in the industry as a PRD. You could have a CG4 in this valve or a CG5 as well. The CG4 and the CG5 burst either under pressure or at a specific set temperature. The CG1 bursts only under pressure. In this particular case now we have a GV valve, a Global Valve. It's a GV 540 for oxygen, 540, 6 for the inlet, 3/4 inch inlet, 1 for the type of CG or pressure relief device, a CG1 PRD. And then the next placeholders are for the pressure that the pressure relief device bursts under. Now there are different formulas to determine what pressure you need, and we have that information on our website at evergreenmidwest.com in the tech section. There's some charts that will help you pick the pressure relief device, or I'd also recommend just contact us. You can call us at 800-659-3358, or you can email us at sales@evergreenmidwest.com, and we can tell you or recommend to you what pressure relief device pressure setting you want. In this case it's a 3360, and that's a -32 in the part number. I wish I could explain that, but I can't. So this particular valve, we have a GV Global Valve, 540 for oxygen, 6 for inlet, 1 for the CG1 pressure relief device, and a 32 which stands for 3360 burst. A GV 5406132. Thank you.